Hey food lovers! Welcome! Today we will transform your kitchen into a culinary playground. In this video we're diving into the latest and greatest cookbooks that just hit the shelves, guaranteed to spice up your cooking game. To get these books, check the link in the description below. Let's dive in. First in our list is Cooking for Longevity. A registered dietitian's guide for boosting healthspan by Nisha Melvani is set to release on October 15, 2024. This exciting new cookbook is more than just a collection of recipes. It's a comprehensive guide to boosting your healthspan through mindful eating. Melvani, a seasoned registered dietitian, draws on her extensive expertise to craft a resource focused on plant-based, nutritious meals designed to support long-term health and well-being. The book combines the latest nutritional science with practical cooking advice, making it accessible to anyone seeking to live a healthier, more vibrant life. While the book isn't tied to any particular cuisine, it emphasizes nutrient-rich, plant-forward recipes that are easy to prepare and designed to enhance longevity. Key features of the book include not only mouth-watering recipes, but also beautiful, vibrant photography that makes each dish leap off the page. What sets Melvani's book apart is her personal touch. Throughout, she shares her journey and insights as a dietitian, blending professional expertise with heartfelt stories that inspire readers to take control of their health. The book includes detailed nutritional breakdowns, practical cooking tips, and recommendations for pantry staples, which are especially helpful for beginners or those new to plant-based cooking. It also offers meal planning advice for busy lifestyles, balancing quick weeknight meals with options perfect for entertaining. What truly sets Cooking for Longevity apart is its focus on healthspan rather than just lifespan. The idea is to improve not only how long you live but how well you live. This book is suitable for all skill levels, making it an excellent choice for both novices and more experienced cooks. Whether you're looking to whip up a quick dinner or curate a feast for guests, the recipes are flexible and approachable. One standout element of the book that will entice readers is its longevity bowls, a series of one-bowl meals that pack a punch of nutrition while being incredibly simple to assemble. These bowls are colorful, satisfying, and brimming with health-boosting ingredients like quinoa, leafy greens, and vibrant vegetables. This innovative approach to easy, wholesome eating will undoubtedly draw in readers looking for delicious ways to support their health without sacrificing flavor. Next, let's turn our attention to That's Good Right There. Southern Cooking by Kelley Harris is set to be released on November 5, 2024. This delightful cookbook is a celebration of Southern cuisine, offering a vibrant and flavorful journey through the heart of Southern cooking. Kelley Harris, a self-taught chef known for her Southern roots and comforting recipes, brings her passion for the food of the South to life with this collection. The book is all about classic Southern dishes made with love, using traditional cooking techniques that have been passed down for generations. While the focus is on Southern comfort food, Harris also puts her unique spin on beloved recipes, making them approachable for modern kitchens. One of the book's key features is its focus on simplicity and accessibility. Harris ensures that home cooks, whether seasoned or beginners, can create delicious Southern dishes without the need for complicated techniques or hard-to-find ingredients. The book is filled with gorgeous, home-style photography that captures the warmth and richness of Southern food, making it as visually appealing as it is mouth-watering. Harris also shares personal stories from her upbringing and her relationship with food, adding depth and heart to each recipe. What makes That's Good Right There stand out is its authentic yet relaxed approach to Southern cooking. It's perfect for anyone who wants to explore the flavors of the South, whether they're new to the cuisine or seasoned fans. The book strikes a balance between traditional recipes for Sunday dinners and more casual meals for busy weeknights, ensuring there's something for every occasion. Harris brings her love for family-style cooking to the forefront, making it a great choice for those who enjoy cooking for gatherings or those looking to whip up comforting meals for themselves. One standout recipe that will entice readers is Kelley's smothered fried chicken. This dish combines perfectly crispy fried chicken smothered in a rich gravy, offering the ultimate comfort food experience. It's a dish that embodies the essence of Southern cooking, deeply flavorful, satisfying, and full of soul. Readers will be drawn in by the comforting home-style recipes that bring the warmth of Southern hospitality straight to their kitchen. Now, for the health-conscious foodies, the next is Half-Baked Harvest Quick and Cozy by Tieghan. Gerard was released on October 1, 2024. This latest cookbook from the popular food blogger and chef is all about delivering delicious, comforting meals that you can prepare in a hurry. Known for her ability to blend rustic, wholesome ingredients with bold flavors, Tieghan Gerard focuses on creating dishes that bring warmth and comfort without the time-consuming process of traditional cooking. While the book offers a wide variety of recipes, its emphasis is on simple, cozy meals that you can easily make on a busy weeknight, making it a fantastic choice for anyone looking to whip up something flavorful yet fast. A standout feature of Half-Baked Harvest Quick and Cozy is its focus on versatility. The book is packed with over 100 recipes that are not only quick to prepare, but also adaptable for various dietary preferences, making it easy to find something for everyone. The recipes are accompanied by Tieghan's signature stunning photography, with each dish presented in a way that looks both comforting and elegant. Gerard also sprinkles in personal anecdotes and tips, drawing from her life in the Colorado mountains, which adds a personal, heartfelt touch to the book. Her ability to blend global flavors with classic American comfort food keeps readers excited to try new combinations. What sets this book apart is its focus on speed without sacrificing comfort. Tieghan designed the recipes for people who love home-cooked meals, but don't always have the luxury of time. It's perfect for both beginner and experienced cooks, as the recipes range from ultra-simple one-pot meals to slightly more involved dishes that still don't take too much time. From casual dinners to meals suitable for entertaining, the flexibility of these recipes means there's something for every situation. One standout recipe that will grab readers' attention is creamy pumpkin tortellini soup. This dish perfectly captures the spirit of the book, comforting, quick, and bursting with seasonal flavors. The creamy, rich soup is ready in under 30 minutes, combining tortellini with cozy spices and pumpkin for a fall-inspired dish that's sure to become a favorite. Whether you're in the mood for a hearty soup, a quick pasta dish, or something that will impress guests, Half-Baked Harvest Quick and Cozy has you covered with delicious, easy-to-make recipes that will keep readers coming back for more. Next is Ottolenghi Comfort by Yotam. Ottolenghi is set to be released on November 12, 2024. This cookbook promises to bring the signature bold, vibrant flavors that Ottolenghi is known for, but with a focus on comfort food. In this book, the renowned chef and author, famous for his Middle Eastern-inspired dishes and complex flavor combinations, shifts his attention to creating recipes that are cozy, hearty, and deeply satisfying. The book is all about nourishing the soul with dishes that provide warmth and indulgence, while still maintaining Ottolenghi's characteristic emphasis on fresh, high-quality ingredients and inventive cooking techniques. One of the key features of Ottolenghi Comfort is its collection of recipes that balance rich, comforting flavors with Ottolenghi's love for vegetables, grains, and spices. Each recipe is thoughtfully crafted to offer both indulgence and a sense of balance, making the book a standout in the world of comfort cooking. Expect stunning photography that brings the food to life, as well as personal stories from Ottolenghi about what comfort food means to him, providing readers with insights into how these recipes came to be. Ottolenghi's ability to elevate even the simplest ingredients, such as lentils, root vegetables, or chickpeas, ensures that this isn't just your average comfort food cookbook. It's a feast for both the body and the senses. What truly sets Ottolenghi Comfort apart is how it blends comfort with complexity, offering recipes that cater to home cooks looking for something more sophisticated than traditional comfort food, yet still rooted in coziness. The book is suitable for intermediate to advanced cooks, as many recipes involve layers of flavor and may require a bit more time and effort. However, it also includes quicker, simpler dishes for those days when you want something comforting but easy. Whether you're entertaining guests or simply want to treat yourself to a special meal, this book offers a variety of recipes that suit different occasions. A standout recipe that will surely attract readers is the braised lamb with fennel, lemon, and pomegranate molasses. This dish embodies Ottolenghi's ability to marry rich, slow-cooked meats with bright, tangy flavors, resulting in a meal that is both comforting and exciting. The sweetness of the pomegranate molasses paired with the earthiness of the fennel and the tenderness of the lamb makes it an unforgettable dish that will make readers want to dive into the book. For those seeking comfort with a creative international twist, Ottolenghi Comfort is a must-read. Next is, Does This Taste Funny? Recipes Our Family Loves by Colbert is set to release on October 29, 2024. In this lighthearted yet surprisingly heartfelt cookbook, the beloved comedian Stephen Colbert steps out of the late-night talk show spotlight and into the kitchen. While known for his humor, Colbert brings more than just laughs to the table, sharing his family's favorite recipes in a collection that is as warm and inviting as it is entertaining. The book is filled with classic comfort dishes, family stories, and Colbert's signature wit, making it a unique blend of humor and delicious food. Key features of the book include a fun mix of down-to-earth family recipes and Colbert's humorous commentary that accompanies each dish. From casual weeknight dinners to dishes meant for family gatherings, the recipes are accessible and easy to follow, designed for home cooks of all skill levels. You'll find hearty favorites like casseroles, pasta dishes, and simple desserts that anyone can master. Each recipe is paired with anecdotes from Colbert's own family life, giving readers a glimpse into the meals that have brought joy to his home. Additionally, the book is packed with playful illustrations and photographs that capture the fun, family-oriented vibe. What makes Does This Taste Funny stand out is the way Colbert's personality shines through every page. While the recipes are practical and approachable, it's Colbert's witty asides, jokes, and storytelling that make this more than just another family cookbook. His humor turns even basic recipes into something memorable, making the book a joy to read as much as it is to cook from. The recipes are perfect for beginner to intermediate home cooks, particularly those looking for comforting meals without the fuss of gourmet techniques. It's an ideal choice for anyone who loves cooking with a side of laughter, or for fans of Colbert looking to experience a more personal side of the comedian. One standout recipe that will attract readers is Colbert's Ultimate Mac and Cheese, a creamy, cheesy dish with a crispy breadcrumb topping that is sure to be a hit at any family dinner. It's the kind of comfort food that everyone loves, but with Colbert's comedic touch in the recipe's introduction, it becomes more than just another mac and cheese. It becomes a dish you'll want to make and laugh about with your loved ones. For those who enjoy cooking, family meals, and a good laugh, Does This Taste Funny is the perfect combination of humor and heart. Next up is Easy Weeknight Dinners. 100 Fast, Flavor-Packed Meals for Busy People Who Still Want Something Good to Eat by Emily Weinstein was released on September 10, 2024. This cookbook is a lifesaver for those who want to enjoy delicious, homemade meals without spending hours in the kitchen. As the title suggests, the book is focused on quick and flavorful dishes that are perfect for weeknights when time is tight, but you still crave something satisfying and tasty. Emily Weinstein, known for her approachable style, offers a collection of 100 diverse recipes designed to make weeknight cooking stress-free, without sacrificing flavor. One of the standout features of Easy Weeknight Dinners is its practicality. Each recipe is carefully curated to minimize prep time and complexity, making it an ideal guide for busy people who want something more than just takeout or microwaved meals. Weinstein's recipes range from hearty pastas and stir-fries to creative salads and sheet pan meals, ensuring there's something for everyone, no matter their dietary preferences. The book also includes time-saving tips, shortcuts, and advice on how to make the most of your pantry staples, making it an incredibly useful tool for everyday cooking. The vibrant, mouth-watering photography throughout the book brings the recipes to life, and Weinstein's straightforward instructions ensure that even beginner cooks can confidently whip up a flavorful meal in a hurry. What sets Easy Weeknight Dinners apart is its focus on efficiency without compromising on taste. Weinstein masterfully blends ease with creativity, offering recipes that are simple to prepare but packed with flavor. This cookbook is especially suited for people with busy schedules, whether you're juggling work, family, or both, but it doesn't require advanced cooking skills. It's great for anyone looking to put together healthy, home-cooked meals with minimal effort. One recipe that will undoubtedly attract readers is her 15-minute lemon garlic shrimp pasta. This dish combines the bright flavors of lemon and garlic with tender shrimp and pasta, and can be made in just 15 minutes. Perfect for those evenings when you need something fast but still crave something fresh and delicious. The recipe, like many in the book, proves that even the busiest cooks can create satisfying, flavorful meals in no time. For those looking for efficient, tasty solutions to weeknight cooking dilemmas, Easy Weeknight Dinners is a must-have. Last but not least is Sweet Tooth. 100 Desserts to Save Room For by Sarah Fennel was released on September 24, 2024. This decadent dessert cookbook is a dream for anyone with a serious sweet tooth. Sarah Fennel, a professional baker and founder of the popular baking blog Broma Bakery, brings together a collection of 100 mouth-watering dessert recipes that are sure to satisfy any sugar craving. The book is a celebration of all things sweet, offering everything from classic cookies and cakes to more elaborate confections like tarts, pastries, and ice cream. It's designed for both casual home bakers and dessert enthusiasts who love indulging in sweet treats. Key features of Sweet Tooth include its wide variety of desserts, ranging from simple, no-bake options to more complex, show-stopping sweets. Fennel's detailed instructions make even the most impressive desserts approachable, ensuring that both beginners and experienced bakers can find recipes that suit their skills. The book is filled with stunning, colorful photography that makes each dessert look irresistible, while Fennel's personal notes and tips bring warmth and expertise to the process. The balance between easy recipes and more advanced ones means there's something for every occasion, whether you need a quick treat or are baking for a special event. What sets Sweet Tooth apart is its fun, playful approach to dessert making. Fennel encourages readers to have fun in the kitchen, offering recipes that are both delicious and visually appealing. From comforting classics like gooey brownies and buttery shortbread to innovative desserts with modern twists, the book is perfect for anyone looking to up their dessert game. Whether you're new to baking or an experienced baker wanting to try something new, the book's variety ensures you'll find plenty of inspiration. One standout recipe that will entice readers is Fennel's Salted Caramel Chocolate Tart, a rich and indulgent dessert that perfectly balances sweet and salty flavors. With a buttery, flaky crust, a smooth caramel layer, and a dark chocolate ganache topping, this tart is the perfect example of the kinds of luxurious, crowd-pleasing desserts found in the book. Whether you're baking for a celebration or simply treating yourself, Sweet Tooth will quickly become your go-to resource for irresistible desserts that everyone will want to save room for.